Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. A really quick side dish of green beans and tomatoes are on the menu today. Look what you need. Frozen green beans, a can of stewed tomatoes, and seasonings of your choice. So I'm going to tell you what I put in mine, but you can change yours a little bit. Now you want to follow the directions on the bag as far as how to cook the green beans, and if you really want to do it even quicker, then you'll buy the ones that steam in the bag, put them in the microwave. Then you can put them in a pot, you can add the tomatoes, and bam. So now if you don't want to use minced onion, you can use fresh onions. Chop it up, chop it kind of small because you want to cook this very quickly. This is not going to sit on the stove and simmer. This is too easy. All right, that's ready. So we're going to drain those, and we're going to pour the stewed tomatoes in. Now if you don't want to use stewed, you can use diced tomatoes. Yep, pack all the flavor in you can. All right, so I'm just going to tear those up a little bit. Then we're going to put some seasoned salt in. Garlic powder and onion powder. You want to mix that up. Quickest side you'll ever get. This goes with chicken, fish, seafood, you name it, you name it, you name it. And if you don't eat any of that, you can just eat this by itself. So if you don't feel like eating meat, your Meatless Monday, this is great for it. All right, so check that out. Let that simmer a little bit. That's some crushed red pepper in there. Yep, if you haven't hit like and subscribe by now, hit that like, hit that subscribe and that bell for notifications so you'll be one of the first ones to know when I put a new video up. How about that? All right, so these are going to take all of about 15 or 20 minutes to get ready. After that, you're going to get this. Y'all better go make this. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time. For more great recipes, tips, and ideas, check out some of my other videos.